Good afternoon, YouTube. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Rickson Recordings, where we are starting to get festive. Now, one thing we love here at Christmas is some nice shortbread biscuits, but my favourite is lemon shortbread, so we're going to make some quick today. So what I have here, I have 6 ounces of plain flour into the bowl, 4 ounces of butter, which I've cubed. That will go into our bowl, like so. And we have 2.5 ounces of caster sugar, which I've grated the zest of 1.5 lemons into. So that'll just give us a bit of a lemony bite to our biscuits. And then that goes into our mixing bowl. Excellent. Right. So here we go. So we're just going to squeeze that up together to form a bit of a dough. Right, a couple of minutes later, this is what we're left with. A nice ball of butter, sugar and flour. Look at that. Bits of lemon poking through here and there, can you see? Excellent. Right, so move this out of the way. So our baking tray. Bit more flour on our board here. We're just going to roll this out to a thickness of about 1/2 centimetre, maybe just over. Yeah, it's about right. A bit more, say. Biscuit cutters, whichever shape you want. I've just gone for plain round and a frilly one. Like so. Do all again. Yeah, so this is one of my favourite things to make with the children. This is so simple, and the kids love shortbread biscuits. So perhaps you let me know in the comments what biscuits you like to make with the children. Nick James, you can let me know how would you make yours better, of course. Any hints, tips and constructive criticism is always welcome here at Rickson Recordings. Right, there we are. Get a couple of more in there. And then we'd be ready to rock. Oh. I might just get one more small one now, and that'll be job done. Excellent, will do. Right, so the plan is now, childrens, put that in the fridge for 20 minutes, and then we'll cook for 20 minutes in the oven on 170, and we'll see how we get on. I'll catch you in a bit. Hi everybody. Well, these have been 20 minutes in the fridge now, so I just feel nice and hard, like they've set together a bit. So pop this in the oven now, 20 minutes on 170 degrees. We'll see how we get on. Right everybody, 20 minutes has gone past now. I can smell the lemony niceness wafting through the house. Let's have a look, shall we? Well, look at them. Fantastic. So what's left for us to do now? Leave them to cool. Maybe sprinkle a bit of caster sugar, or some people like to put icing sugar or whatever you want. Dollop jam maybe. So I'll be enjoying these now later with a nice glass of hot chocolate for the children. So anyway, see you soon folks.